Yo, I bet you ain't know it was us. We just put right on her face, she blushed. My bitch don't be doing them dates, cause my...
Yo, what's up guys? It's paastdb, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this image repeating effect. And honestly, I got the idea from this Twitter edit I saw. Credits will be shown. And so basically I wanted to replicate it. And I actually found a quick and easy script that does it for me. So let's get into the video. So if you have an edit and you want to add image repeating effect, this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to download the script in the description and install it. And when you have it installed, what you're going to do is go to Window and go down to where it says Nisai_repeater and click on it to open it up. After it's opened up, make sure that your layer is selected for which you want to image, whatever layer that you want to repeat. And so this number right here where it says 10 represents how many images you want to be shown. I'm just gonna put 5 to make it easy. And then after that, all you're gonna want to do is press apply. And there we go. After you press apply, you're gonna want to exit out of this panel. And so you're gonna see nothing's changed, but I'm gonna show you, how to make it work. So what you want to do is where it says number, change this to how many images were created. Press 5. And after that, you're going to want to go to Y gap or X gap and just change these settings based on where you want the image to repeat to. So I want it to repeat to the left. So I'm just going to move this to the left. And I feel like that position is perfect. And so all you need to do is keyframe that number value, press U on your keyboard, drag this keyframe all the way to the end, and for number, change it back to 0. And then when you play out your edit, you should see an image repeating effect. And so yeah, I hope y'all can use this in your edits. Make sure to like and subscribe because I will be dropping more tutorials that you're going to want to see.